I spent some time testing out privatemedia.tv, going through everything it offers to get a clear picture of how it really works. The site promotes itself as a hub for live sports streaming with hundreds of channels and no blackout restrictions, which definitely sounds appealing on the surface. The user interface is actually well-designed, clean, easy to navigate, and the live chat support was quick to respond, which is something you don't always get with platforms like this. They also have a few informative pages that explain the basics pretty well. But digging a little deeper, there are definitely some areas that made me pause. The company behind the site isn't very transparent, and it's difficult to find solid info on who runs it or how long it's actually been around. That kind of vague background always makes it harder to fully trust a service. There's also a heavy emphasis on affiliate marketing, which, while not necessarily bad, raises questions when paired with some of the user complaints I found. Trustpilot reviews are a mixed bag, with quite a few people mentioning issues around billing and refund delays. So while the platform works on a technical level and looks promising in parts, there are definitely enough red flags to make anyone think twice before signing up. Overall, it's not a clear scam, but it's also not something I recommend jumping into without doing your own research and being cautious.